So we've been around kind of more or less every slide, but that last slide I swallowed a ton of water. So I've developed a bit of cough. Everyone probably have the coronavirus, but we don't. That's all good. But we're having some fun. The sun's after coming out. It wasn't really here this morning. It was very overcast, but it's pretty busy. Going to get some food now, and I think we're probably going to just do 1 or 2 more slides. Hopefully the queues die down a bit. We do have fast pass, which is if you are coming to Aqua Land in Termalinos, definitely get a fast pass, because you'll be not only queuing up to get your rings, but you'll be queuing up then after you get your rings to get on the slide. So it's like a double queue up. Whereas if you have the fast pass, you don't queue up to get your rings. There's fast pass rings just sitting there waiting on you. So get the fast pass, definitely. Whew, just drag this puppy home. So I need this electric scooter to get up a very steep hill from where I live up to the gym that I'm joining next month, which is M13. Currently in Club Paddle, but Club Paddle is just down the motorway, whereas M13 is up a steep hill, which is just a bit too steep to be walking and cycling in. So we had to go get a powerful scooter to get up that hill. And the guy that sold me this in our court in Glaze didn't have the best of English. I was trying to ask which scooter could get me up that hill from where I live up to M13 gym up at the bull ring, and he basically didn't know what I was saying. So he was just like, you need to buy the dearest one we have. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get it. I probably could have got a cheaper one to get up the hill, but I don't have time to, I can't test all the different types of electric scooters out, unfortunately. So if in doubt, you buy cheap, buy twice, so you might as well just get the most expensive one they have. He seemed pretty confident that we'll get up the hill, even though his English wasn't that confident, and my Spanish is non-existent. So hopefully he can get up the hill, and hopefully I didn't spend too much money. Only one way to find out, but we're gonna unbox it now and see what it looks like, and hopefully it's charged a bit, because I'm dying to get on the thing. We'll see now. From the second I came over here, the plan was to eventually start training in M13 gym, and I don't like doing cardio, and I don't like putting in much effort throughout the day doing anything else but my workouts. So for someone that's trying to lose weight, walking up that hill would be a fantastic warm-up to the gym. But for me, I am very lazy. I don't like putting in much effort before the gym, even after the gym. Just that 1 hour I'm in the gym, I'm go time. Anything after that, I'm like a sloth. I don't move. So electric scooter, perfect. So this one is, you can do something with a smartphone on it, it says. So I'm sure there's an app. Multifunctional control panel, whatever that is. 45 kilometer range battery, which is very good. 300 watt motor, 600 watt max output, whatever that means. Electric brake and disc brakes, there you go. Shock absorbing inflatable tiles, and aviation aluminium alloy frame. There you go. So if we put wings on this bad boy, it's gonna take off. Oh, here we go. Right, I've worked in a bike shop for a year, so this shouldn't be too difficult to try to figure out or put together. Very expensive and complicated bikes. Trying to put an electric scooter together shouldn't be that difficult, right? Look at that! That is deadly. Spare tire on for it. I'm an electric scooter version, so give me a minute.